Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about ICAEW case study. Before we start, let me introduce that I am Roman Yakar, your case study mentor for November 2021 exam. This is a short video about ICAEW case study November 2021. If you are interested in having the detailed information, then you can join us on 7th of August 2 p.m. of Pakistan time, 1 p.m. UAE time, 11 a.m. Zim time, or 10 o'clock at UK time. If you have different timing, then you can convert it into your own timings as well. ICAEW case study. When we use the word case study, then most of the students think that case study is like something project or thesis. No. This is not a project, this is not a thesis, because case study of ICAEW, it's a real exam. ICAEW case study, it's basically a unique exam as compared to rest of its 14 exams basically. Why it is a unique exam? There are a lot of points which make this exam unique. First of all, it's a 4 hours exam, unlike other exams which are for 2.5 hours, 3 hours, or 3.5 hours. Case study is a 4 hours exam. Secondly, case study is basically a report writing exam. Report writing means in this case study, you have to write a report. When we use the word report, then students think like they have to write down and then they have to submit. No. Again, this report is basically about your real exam. We have been provided with some information, we have to work it on, and then we have to use that information and some new information of your exam, and then we will write a report. So case study is a unique exam, 4 hours exam, report writing exam. Apart from this report writing, case study has a very different exam structure. It has a unique marking key as compared to your rest of the exam. Obviously, if it has unique marking key, then your passing criteria is also very different. Your passing criteria is also very different. So according to your exam structure, your marking key, your passing criteria, you will be having a different study style. And finally, you also need to incorporate and perform a small amount of research for passing your case study exam. So all of these features make your case study exam is a unique exam as compared to rest of the 14 exams basically. There are a lot of other points that you must know before you go with your ICAEW case study, particularly if you are thinking that you should appear in November 2021. Why? The reason is that ICAEW has changed its structure, has changed its case study structure in last few years. Particularly from November 2021, we have new exam software. So we have a unique exam software. So if you are thinking that you should appear in November 2021, then you can join us for our orientation that is going to be held on 7th of August basically. So you can join us for our orientation. If you have any question, then you can write to us and then we are happy to discuss your questions basically. So these are detailed for our orientation. You can contact us. And these are some of the results from our previous years basically. So these are our contact details. You can contact us directly. Thank you so much, all of you. I see you on orientation. That is completely a free of cost session for all of you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.